Allah saying, be happy, Allah Azza wa Jalla says. وَذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. You are a believer, you be happy, don't be sad. The most happiness for us, this who is believer saying, I'm not happy, he is not believer. Just by tongue he believe, but not in heart. It must be believed in heart, inshallah. Allah make us with these people to be happy. Maybe some people they thought Islam to be not laughing, not to be happy, to be sad. No, Allah Azza wa Jalla orders be happy. وَذَلِكَ فَلْيَفْرَحُوا. Who is believer must be happy. Allah make us happy.